Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into a housing revolution that is proving you don't need a massive footprint to have a massive style. But first, what exactly is a small manufactured modern home? Simply put, these are dwellings built entirely in a controlled factory environment and then transported to a permanent site. Unlike the mobile homes of the past, the modern version focuses on sleek architecture, high quality, sustainable materials, and contemporary aesthetics. They are typically under 1,000 square feet. Designed with intentionality to maximize every inch of space while maintaining the clean lines and open concepts found in high-end modern architecture. The benefits of opting for a small manufactured modern home extend far beyond just a lower price tag. One of the primary advantages is the speed and precision of construction. Because they are built indoors, there are no weather delays, and the quality control is significantly higher than traditional site-built homes. From an environmental standpoint, these homes are incredibly efficient, often featuring better insulation and generating far less construction waste. Furthermore, they offer a level of financial freedom that is hard to find elsewhere. With lower monthly utility bills and a smaller mortgage, homeowners can invest more in their lifestyle, travel, or high-end interior finishes. It's about choosing quality over quantity and embracing a minimalist, clutter-free lifestyle that reduces stress and environmental impact. Decorating the exterior of a small manufactured home is all about creating visual interest and breaking up the boxy silhouette to make your home look truly high-end. Start with a sophisticated color palette. Think deep charcoals, warm cedars, or crisp whites with matte black accents. Adding natural textures is a game changer. Consider installing stone veneer panels or horizontal wood slat accents around the entrance to create a sense of warmth. Lighting also plays a massive role. Use upward-pointing LED spotlights to highlight architectural features and stylish sconces to frame the doorway. Finally, don't forget the landscaping. Since the home is small, your outdoor space acts as an extension of your living room. Built-in planters, a modern gravel path, or a sleek wraparound deck can seamlessly blend the structure into its environment, making it feel permanent, grounded, and incredibly inviting. When it comes to the best styles for small manufactured modern homes, mid-century modern and Scandinavian minimalism currently lead the pack. Mid-century styles often feature flat or shed roof lines and floor-to-ceiling windows that invite the outdoors in, creating an airy feel. On the other hand, the Scandinavian approach, or japandi, focuses on functional simplicity, using light woods and neutral tones to create a high or cozy atmosphere. Another popular trend is the industrial modern look, which utilizes corrugated metal siding, reclaimed wood, and black steel frames for a rugged yet refined aesthetic. These styles work perfectly for small homes because they prioritize clean lines and uncluttered surfaces, which prevents a smaller space from feeling cramped or overwhelming. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best small manufactured modern home ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the Pacific Northwest Forest Retreat. This stunning design features a deep charcoal gray exterior contrasted beautifully with warm wood-tone beams and window frames. The raised wooden deck and the shed-style roof provide a contemporary silhouette that feels right at home nestled among the trees. The large windows and red accented door add a pop of personality to this cozy, elevated cabin. 2. Minimalist Desert Oasis. A masterclass in less is more. This home uses vertical white siding to create height and a clean, crisp look. The floating wooden deck extends the living space toward an outdoor fire pit area, making it perfect for entertaining. Slow profile flat roof ensures the home blends into the horizon without obstructing the beautiful desert view. Symmetry of glass and steel. This unique dual-wing design features two symmetrical gabled sections connected by a central glass entryway. The massive floor-to-ceiling windows allow you to see straight through the home, creating an incredible sense of transparency and light. It's a bold architectural statement that proves manufactured homes can be works of art. 4. The warm timber monopitch. This home utilizes vertical wood siding for a rustic yet modern feel. The monopitch slanted roof creates high ceilings on the interior, while the small front porch with comfortable seating invites you to relax. The dark metal roof and black window frames provide that essential modern edge to the natural wood finish. *********5. The modern stone cottage. By combining traditional stone masonry with modern gray siding, this home achieves a timeless craftsman modern look. The wide front porch with white railings and stone pillars gives the house a sturdy, permanent feel, while the arched window adds a touch of classic elegance to a modern manufactured frame. 6. The Scandinavian box suite. Clean lines and wide set windows define this sleek wooden structure. The overhanging flat roof provides shade and integrated lighting, making the exterior glow at dusk. The minimalist landscaping with large rocks and low-maintenance shrubs enhances the zen atmosphere of this sophisticated small dwelling. 7. The multi-level cedar deck house. This home stands out due to its incredible outdoor integration. The multi-level wooden decking follows the slope of the land, creating various zones for lounging. The mixed material exterior combining wood planks with dark gray panels breaks up the visual weight and makes the home look like a custom architect designed. 8. The classic white farmhouse prefab. This design takes the popular modern farmhouse aesthetic and shrinks it down to a perfect, manageable size. With its white siding, green accents, and a prominent gabled porch, it offers a welcoming and nostalgic feel. The lattice-work base and stone pathway add layers of texture and charm to the curb appeal. 9. The suburban compact contemporary. Perfect for a smaller lot. This home features soft sage green siding with white trim for a fresh, clean look. The wide windows are designed to capture as much natural light as possible, while the wraparound deck provides a clear pathway from the front to the side, maximizing every square foot of the property. 10. The panoramic glass pavilion. This ultra-modern design features a long rectangular floor plan with sliding glass doors spanning almost the entire length of the home. The dark ribbed metal siding gives it an industrial chic vibe, while the orange-toned wooden deck provides a warm contrast. It's the ultimate choice for those who want a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. Choosing a small manufactured modern home is about more than just finding a place to live. It's about choosing a lifestyle that prioritizes design, efficiency, and freedom. As we've seen today, these homes are no longer the cookie-cutter boxes of the past. They are thoughtful, beautiful, and highly customizable spaces that reflect the best of modern architecture. Whether you are looking to downsize, build a vacation retreat, or step onto the property ladder for the first time, the modern manufactured movement offers a stylish and sustainable path forward. If you enjoyed looking at these incredible modern homes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more interior and exterior inspiration. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest trends in modern living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.